Hey everyone. Alright, so here's the deal. If you guys saw my fall update, and if you haven't, I'll have the link in the description just in case. I had posted a video saying I want to kind of change the channel up. Now, I'm still going to have all the how-tos. I'm still going to have all the, stuff on Grand Prix and Infinities and how to do repairs, all that sort of stuff. But I want to bring more content to the channel. And all sorts of different things. So it'll kind of be a mix of both. Now, recently I put out two videos, one on a Hyundai Elantra and one on a Hummer. Whether you like the vehicles or the information in the video, that I'm not too concerned with. That'll speak on itself. What I am interested in, though, is the format. So I did two completely different formats. One format was based more on kind of like there's no me in the video. I'm speaking obviously, but there's no me in it. It's just kind of like images that are popping up, and it's got information and all sorts of stuff. The second video was a different format where it has me talking and then images kind of popping up as you go. So I was kind of curious to which format you like more, because I plan to do a lot more information videos. I've done a few of those, like W body videos, stuff, used cars to replace your W body, top 10 W bodies. I have some other stuff I want to do in that kind of same vein. But I'm trying to look at which format works best, and I kind of like both formats, and I want to kind of see which you guys kind of favored a bit more. So I just wanted to put this out there and say, if you guys didn't get a chance to check out the video, if you can comment here and let me know. It just kind of helps me. It's kind of like crowdsourcing, really, right? Let me know which format was easier to watch, easier to digest, and then I can kind of build around that. I may do both formats. You may tell me you liked one, and I may do the other. I'll see. I'm just kind of getting a feel from the quote-unquote public perspective, right? So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there quickly. Just a quick video on see your thoughts, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much.